Wow, I look just like you.
Yes, I made you look just like me.
Okay.
Hey, what's up you guys? It's your girl Gigi and welcome back to my channel. Today I am being joined by my beautiful mother. Introduce yourself.
Hello everyone.
Because she would like for me to beautify her for church on Zoom tonight since we are all in quarantine. I hope everybody's doing well with everything that's going on and staying safe and staying home. So we're passing the time by doing this. And yes, I know it has been a long time since I've made a video and honestly, I don't have an excuse. So I'm being joined today by my lovely mother and we are going to transform her from the beautiful swan that she already is into an even more beautiful swan, a butterfly, if you will. Yes. So today, not only am I going to be doing her makeup, but I'm also going to be putting a wig on her. We are going to be using this unit from Miss By Hair. I think this is like a 12-inch, like little curly bob. This isn't new or anything. I think she's had this since like last summer or something, but it's still in really good condition. If you guys want any of the information about that, I can link that down below. So without further ado, let's get started.
Yay!
Oh wait,
I'm excited.
You're excited? And I forgot to say that I'm also going to be asking her a few questions just to like keep it interesting, you know, and just to learn more about my mommy and to let you guys learn about my mommy too, because that's where I came from. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. So I'm sure many of you that are watching this probably already know how to apply a wig, so I'm not going to go through the steps of doing it, but if that is something that you would like to see me do on my channel, just let me know and I will do that for you. But for the sake of time, I'm not going to explain every little step, so let's get started. So mother.
Yes, daughter of mine.
The first question that I'm going to ask you is, what did you want to be when you were growing up?
I wanted to be a doctor because you know where I came from, I'm Haitian, and that's every parent's dream for their child to be a doctor or a lawyer. But my dream was to become a doctor.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice. What kind of doctor?
I didn't get that far yet on my thought.
Okay.
Since my dream was shattered.
Why?
When I was 16.
Oh, yes, and you had a
and
child.
You know the rest.
Yeah, and
yes.
You had your first child.
Yes.
Okay, interesting.
Yeah.
Her first child being my older sister, not being me, obviously. And in that same token about being a mom and stuff, I remember at one point when me and my little sister, were younger, you worked from home. So
yes.
How did you like that? Why did you do that? And would you do that again? Like, what did you like about being a stay-at-home mom?
I mean, a stay-at-home mom is not something that's easy, since I didn't have the luxury or enough money to say that I'm going to pay for a nanny to take care of them for me for the whole day so I could go to work. So I've decided, me and my husband, we decided staying home would be the best option. I mean, it was tough because financially it was only one person that was working. But you know, in terms of spending time with your family, I think it was the best decision.
What was something you've always wanted to do but didn't do, and why didn't you do it?
That brings us back to the first question that you asked me. What I wanted to be when I grow up.
Oh, okay.
Because I love medicine, so that's always what I wanted to be. I wanted to be able to take care of other people.
Okay. But I mean, you still do that now, though, just not...
Yeah, I still do that, but not with the same title. Yeah, because I am a provider, but not on that same title, with that same title.
now we have the wig on, so we're gonna move on to makeup.
Okay.
I'm gonna be using the NYX Photo Ready Primer. And yeah, when you were growing up, what was something that your parents did that you swore you would never do?
I know that they love me, but they never show you their love until you are sick. They never tell you that they love you until you are sick. They will offer you everything so you can get better.
So next we're gonna go in with the foundation, which is the L'Oreal Infallible Foundation 24-hour fresh wear in the shade 530. So now the next step, now that we're done with foundation, will be eyebrows, and for that I am using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow in Ebony. I'm gonna ask you a question about me.
Okay.
So what was the day I was born like? Like, tell me the story of the day that I was born.
Oof.
So first of all, I was born on Sunday, July 6th, 1997. And yeah, tell the people what that day was like for you.
That day, it was a sunny hot day on July 6, 97, as she says. It was, I could say, a sweet and sour day for me.
Why?
Sweet because I was so excited, waiting for you to be born. But the pain was so intense.
Oh yeah, and actually she told me the other day that none of her births had epidural.
Yes.
So she has 3 children, all 3 of her births were all natural. So she's a trooper.
I am. I mean, I wouldn't change anything. I mean, if I could reduce a little bit of the pain, I would. But at the same time, I want to feel it.
Why?
That's the real good thing about giving birth. You have to have a story.
Did you wake up knowing that it was going to happen on that day? Like,
yes. When I woke up that day, I knew that it was going to happen because I felt so lazy that day and so weak as usual. I mean, it was worse than it used to be. So I knew it. I knew it was going to happen. But as I said before, sweet and sour, but it was so excited. I ended up going to the hospital when I got my first contraction. Because I thought, since I had my first one so long ago, I didn't know that much about, labor, but I was so excited. I said, I think the baby's about to come. So the very first one, I said to my husband, you have to take me to the hospital now. So I went and they sent me back home.
What? What time was that?
It was early during the day. I don't remember the time exactly.
Wasn't I born at 9:45?
Yes.
So that was at like...
You were born at 9:45 in the morning the next day.
So that was on July 5th?
That was on July 5th. That was the Saturday, July 5th. So when I went to the hospital, they tell me, lady, you're not ready yet.
Wow.
They sent me back home. And by the afternoon, maybe around 3-4 o'clock, so the contractions started to be closer. So we packed up and we went back to the hospital. And I spent the whole night suffering with that little butt.
Wow.
Until it was 9:45 the next day. That's when she decided to be wild. But she was the joy of my life. Me and my husband, we both were very, very happy. Very, very happy. We were so excited.
Aww.
Yes. So the minute they put her in my arms, I knew that she was going to be that Gigi.
You knew I was destined for greatness even then?
Yes, with that same personality.
I have another question. So I am 22 years old, almost 23. So what was life like for you when you were my age?
I was a responsible adult.
Wow.
Yep.
Wow, what's that supposed to mean?
I'm not saying you're not responsible, but I was practically on my own because my mom died when I was very young. At 22, I was still in school. but I was practically on my own. My fun was go to church and like go to the beach sometime with my family.
We are in the year 2020. So when you were young, did you imagine 2020 to be anything like what it is right now? What did you think it was going to be like? And what did you think your life was going to be like at this time?
I'm not complaining, saying that my life is not good. But I thought it was going to be much better. I was going to have everything that I always wanted already in life. But I haven't reached that part yet.
Okay. So what did you think the world was going to be like?
I mean, so many things that happened that I didn't expect. Like technology. I couldn't even think about that because I had no clue about it.
Yeah.
But I thought maybe the world was going to be a better place at that time. But it looks like it's getting worse.
Yeah.
Everything we do is all that, and when we entertaining you,
So now we're going to do the last few steps, which are lashes, highlighter, setting spray, and lip gloss. So I wish I could show you guys properly what kind of lashes these are, but honestly I don't have the front part of it, but if I can find a dupe and show it to you, I will. This is Ratchet Tutorials, by the way. For anybody that's ever watched my channel, you know that my makeup tutorials are ratchet. They're never, it's not what, like, I'm broke, so yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and do these on her, and she doesn't ever really wear lashes. I don't think you've ever worn lashes before.
I did it one time and I hate it.
So this is gonna be fun. Wow. You can't look yet.
I am so not comfortable. I feel like there was a shadow on my eye.
I'm gonna fix it. And drum roll, please. Give a drum roll. Give a drum roll. Drum roll. Okay, and wait, here you go.
Oh my god, I look just like you! Oh my god! I love it, it's so pretty!
Oh, good.
Thank you, baby.
You're welcome, mommy.
Wow, I look just like you!
Yes, I made you look just like me.
Okay.
Alright, you guys, so that was the video. Here is the final look. You know,
yes,
she's just, you know, she's killing the game right now. You know, like, how old is this woman? No one knows.
Huh,
you know,
20 plus.
Yeah, we're the same age, clearly.
Yes.
So
yes.
If you liked this video, please give it a huge thumbs up, and
don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment.
Yes.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you so much for watching.
Bye.
And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
That I want the end.
Yes. Goodbye. Oh.
Action!
Oh my god. You're such a...
Are we on the air?
Yes, you're on air.
We're live. Okay. Okay, I'm ready. Okay. You could say, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe at the very end, okay? You can say that after I'm done saying what I say.
Okay.
Okay.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
And comment.
And comment.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Okay.
Okay.